Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to test Stripe payments in 2026 and make sure your payment system is working properly before going live. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To test Stripe payments, make sure that your account is not on live, it's currently on sandbox, and if so, you can simply press the plus button here, click on payment. You can test if it's recurring or if it's one time. Enter the amount, customer, just try, and you can enter anything, description, statement descriptor, and the payment method. For this one, don't use your own card information. You can simply go to Stripe Docs in the testing, hit testing, and scroll down until you see this card numbers here. For this one, I'm going to use the MasterCard. Copy this and paste it. For the month, make sure that you would enter a future date for this to qualify. And there we go. You can do more options, capture funds later, add billing address, but for this one, I'll just submit payment. And there we go. That is how you test Stripe payments. That's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.